Hi, welcome back to the channel. Our question today will help us with the introductory part of calculus. Now the question says the variables x and y are such that y is equals to 2x raised to power 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 5. We are to calculate the corresponding change in y as x changes from 2 to 2.05. As x changes from 2 to 2.05. Now, when x is equals to 2.00, then y will be equals to 2 into 2.00 all raised to power 3 minus 2 into 2.00 all raised to power 2 minus 5x. That's 5 into 2.00 plus 5. That will be equals to 2.00 raised to power 3, that's 8, times 2, that's 16, minus 2 into 2.00 raised to power 2, that's 4, times 2, that's 8, minus 5 into 2.00, that's 10, and plus 5. So that's 16 minus 8, that's 8, minus 10, that's minus 2, and plus 5, that's equals to plus 3. So when x also moves to 2.05, my y value becomes 2 into 2.05 all raised to power 3 minus 2 into 2.0005 all raised to power 2 minus 5 now into 2.05 plus 5. So that this becomes, let's use the calculator, so that's 2.05 raised to the power of 3 equals 8.615. That's 8.615 into 2 minus 2.05 raised to power 2. That becomes 2.05 raised to the power of 2 equals 4.2025 minus 5 now into 2.05 plus 5. So that y now will be the same thing as 2 times 2.615, that's 8.615 times 2, that's equals to 17.23. That's 17.23 minus 2 times 4.205, 2025. 4.2025 times 2, 8.405, that's 8.405 minus 2.05 times 5, 10.25, that's minus 10.25 plus 5. That will be the same thing as 17.23 minus 8 that's 17.23 minus 8.405 minus 10.25 minus 10.25 and plus 5. That's equals to 3.575. So that y at when x is equals to 2.05 minus y at when x is equals to 2.00 will result to 3.575 minus 3, which is equal to 0.575. Now, we have seen the change from when x is equal to 2.00 to when x is equal to 2.05. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.